So I'm making the Almond Biscotti soap today. This is round 2. I really did not like the design of the first one. So this one I made Biscotti Embeds. These are going to go on top. I don't know if you can see it, but I even textured the top. Then I can't quite pick them up right now, but they're right here, these lengths, which I'll put in. I have 2 sizes, the one you just saw and then a smaller version. I made the smaller first, decided that they just weren't quite big enough to really give that biscotti feel, so that's when I made the other. So I am going to do a dropped hanger swirl. The base is going to be gold, and then I have some brown and white I will drop in. This is, so the color, well, I guess I should say the fragrance discolors a little bit, but not enough. Like, I thought it would discolor more gold the first time I did this, but it didn't. So I added gold to the base, and then I have the brown and then white, which I added just a little bit of color to, fragrance to. So it'll probably discolor a little bit, but it shouldn't be too bad. Woo! So just mixing the fragrance in. Just dropping at varying heights. I start higher up so it'll break down to the bottom. I'm going to add some more gold. Drop in some more color. I'm going to take my lovely hanger tool and just kind of go back and forth. So this fragrance apparently has mild acceleration. But I don't know what I'm doing, but I have not got any type of acceleration the many times I've used this. So here is the embed. I have some apricot peel, some raspberry, I think it's raspberry, no, strawberry, I don't know. There's some seeds in here, and then something else to give it that kind of speckled look. So I'm going to push this in and down, and then these are the smaller ones. And hopefully this looks cute. Okay. Well, I like the swirl. I'm not sure about the biscotti pieces. I got the idea stuck in my head and I had to try it. So I tried it. That got pushed down a little too much. Like, I don't think you can see, but can you see I textured it? I was trying to make it look like a biscotti. I don't know. I said, I had this idea stuck in my head and I had to try it. And like, I tried to get it out, and after probably 3 weeks of looking at a blank square on my little sketch pad, I sketch out all the designs. The biscotti just was blank because I couldn't figure out a design, and I had this one in my head, but I didn't think it would work. And so I had just left it blank, and finally I couldn't come up with anything else. Like, I just couldn't get rid of this idea. So I knew I had to try it. It might not be the best design ever, but it's not awful. And when you see Almond Biscotti on the box label, I think you'll recognize it as biscotti, and it smells so good. This is the Almond Biscotti from Brambleberry. I've tried a number of biscottis, and this one, in my opinion, is the best. So there we have it. I'm still not quite sure what I think. Maybe it'll grow on me. Right now, instead of biscotti, I think it looks like bread. Like a baguette or something. Let me know what you think.